Welcome to Universal Orlando's Endless Summer Resort, Surfside. This place is awesome. Let's take a full tour and check it out. If you're planning a Universal Orlando vacation and you're looking to stay at a Universal resort, well, Surfside is a great option for you. This is considered a value inn and suites, which means it comes at a great price with awesome amenities. So why stay on property at Universal? First and foremost, you get in the parks an hour early. Second, you have a Universal store on property. Number 3, free transportation to any park you'd like. So it's just such a great deal. I love the vibe of this property. It really stands out. It's truly a fun place. You feel it when you walk in and you're at the pool, in your room, or on your way to the parks. Some pretty awesome features here at Surfside are a lobby and pool bar. We'll get to see both. There's a cafe, awesome food, love it. Starbucks, pizza room delivery. How about that? Also, there's a pool, and we talked about that. We're going to take a look at it. A good gym, a game room, a Universal store. We'll get immersed in there. You can rent a car from Avis. You saw that. And then a vacation planner. So if you need to grab some tickets for the park or whatever you may need, just get over there and chat with them. They'll take care of you. Did you know they offer free Wi-Fi here? They sure do. And you can upgrade it to high-speed internet too as well. It's up to you. Plenty of food options for everybody. There's a grab-and-go section. There's a made-to-order section. There's some amenities that you may need in case you forgot anything. I love the freestyle Coca-Cola machines. These are great. And coffee 24/7. You can't go wrong. Hey you, watching our video. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, the gym and game room is there if you need it, but the pool is where it's at. Time to sit back, relax, and just enjoy your vacation. Book an extra day. Take a pool day or two. This is a really great opportunity to enjoy all the Universal resorts have to offer. Have you stayed at the Endless Summer Resorts before? If so, which one? Surfside or Dockside? What's something you loved? Let us know so that everybody knows. Thanks for sharing. I love the decor. I love the landscaping. I love the architecture. And I love the pool. It's just amazing. One thing I really love about staying on property is the shopping. These Universal stores have a little bit of everything and a lot of the newer merchandise too as well. So don't forget to take some time, do a little shopping, fill up that luggage, and have a blast. What's on your priority list when you go to the parks? Number 1 for me, Harry Potter. Number 2, Jurassic Park. Number 3, Kong. I love that ride. Endless Summer Resorts, Surfside, and Dockside are centrally located right here in Orlando. So you're in the middle of all the Universal magic. Now, we've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book a trip, get your butt to Orlando, visit Surfside, and have a blast. Thanks for watching.